This is Engineer Nelcam. I will discuss the specification of our bicycle, and it is a bike check. So we start the specification from the brand Garneau. The frame of this bike, it is made up of alloy materials and it is small size. The brand is Garneau and it is made in Canada. The group set of this bike, it is a Shimano Dura Ace brand. The speed 8 speed, and the driller, it is a Dura Ace Classic. The chain, it is a Campagnolo brand, and the crankset, it is Apex, SR Apex, and 100% pure alloy. And the pedal, it is XTR, Shimano XTR. It is for road bike and for MTB, mountain bike. The brake set, it is a Shimano Dura Ace, and the wheel set, it is Giant. The rim is made of Giant, and the tire, it is Continental Grand Prix 4 season. It is a handmade from Germany. The saddle post, it is a Campagnolo brand, made of alloy materials. And then our saddle, it is a Cell SMP. Design on your body, and it is 100% made in Italy. The saddle bag, it is a Tropic, and there is a reflected light. And then our backlight, it is made of cat eye. Then one of our modification here, it is the leather materials of a camel for handling purposes. This is the battle cage, Campagnolo brand, and it is made up of a light materials, carbon fiber. One of our major PPE, it is our helmet. Our helmet brand is Scott, and with safety feature, which is the MIPS. Then the stem is still original Campagnolo, even the forks. Then the handlebar is still original LG or Garneau. The brake lever, we have, it is made up of Shimano Classic, and we modify with a camel leather, and the handle grip, it is a ceramic. So the lights, we have two lights here in front. This is for the purpose of this light, it is for our city drive, and this is for, we will use this at night. So this is the specification and bike check of our bicycle. Again, this is Nelcam. Take care and keep safe.